I am Dr.E.Kamatchi, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration PG. So today I am going to discuss the subject logistics and supply chain management, and the topic is manufacturing scheduling. So manufacturing scheduling is a process of planning, organizing and optimizing the production of goods in a manufacturing environment. Effective scheduling of effective scheduling of goods crucial for maximizing efficiency, minimizing downtime and meeting customer demands. Manufacturing scheduling is a tactical process of creating a detailed timetable for a production activities to optimize resource utilization and meet customer deadlines. It involves allocating machinery, labor and materials to specific job within defined time frames, factoring in constraints like machine capacity, material availability, setup times and potential disruptions. The primary goals are to maximize efficiency and reduce costs, lead times, maintain optimal inventory levels and ensure timely delivery of products. So there is the importance of effective scheduling, improved productivity and reduced cost, enhanced customer satisfaction. So we'll discuss the one by one. Improved productivity means effective scheduling helps minimize idle time, streamline workforce and maximize the utilization of resources. Proper scheduling can lead to reduced inventory, lower overtime and better management of materials and labor, and enhanced customer satisfaction. That means timely and reliable production schedules ensure on-time delivery, which are crucial for customer satisfaction. Okay, so there is a key aspects of manufacturing scheduling. One is resource allocation and another one is timeline and sequencing, materials management and capacity planning, contingency planning. So resource allocation means assigning specific machines and workers to production task. Timeline and sequencing, determining the order and timing of production steps to create a streamlined workforce. And also the materials management, ensuring necessary raw materials and parts are available when needed to prevent bottlenecks. Capacity planning, consider the limitations of available equipment and workforce to avoid overscheduling. Contingency planning, it including plans for unexpected events like equipment breakdowns or material shortages to maintain schedule integrity. Demand forecasting, using market signals and historical data to predict customer demand and assign production with it. Key scheduling the objectives: maximize throughput, minimize lead time and ensure on-time delivery. Okay, so we'll detail discuss about maximize throughput, optimize the production process and maximize volume of goods production within a given time frame. Minimize lead time means reduce the time between order placement and product delivery to meet customer demands. Ensure on-time delivery, develops schedules that reliably meet promised delivery dates and maintain high on-time performance. So there is a goals of effective scheduling: increased efficiency, reduced cost, timely delivery, bottleneck resolutions, improved resource utilization. So scheduling the techniques and methodologies, there is used by Gantt chart. Gantt chart means a graphical representation of schedules that display task dependencies and time frames. Critical path analysis, it identifies the critical tasks that must be completed on time, meet and project deadline. Just in time This means a production strategy that minimize inventory and maximize efficiency by delivering materials and products as needed. There is a resource allocation and constraints, machine capacity, material supplies, labor availability, facility space. Inventory management and just-in-time production, reduced inventory, improved logistics and increased responsibility. So optimizing the production workflows, identify bottlenecks, implement lean practice, automate process. There is a continuous improvement and monitoring. So first we have to discuss the key performance indicators. That is a very important concept. Measure progress and identify areas for improvement. And data analytics. Nowadays the data analytics is very technology driven. The improvement use data driven insight to optimize scheduling and production. Feedback and collaboration means engage with employees and customers to continuously